Okay, imagine this. A 4,000-kilogram piece of a SpaceX rocket smashes into the moon at nearly 9,000 kilometers per hour. Sounds like a disaster, right? But wait, scientists are actually excited, while also panicking. What's going on here? Let me unpack this bizarre paradox. So here's what happened. Back in January 2025, SpaceX launched 2 lunar landers, then basically abandoned the rocket stage it used to do the job. Instead of burning up in Earth's atmosphere like most space trash, this thing got stuck in a chaotic orbit between Earth and the Moon. And in August 2026, it finally crashed. SpaceX claims it was an accident caused by solar activity and gravity, but honestly, that excuse feels thin. I mean, if you're a multi-billion-dollar space company, shouldn't you track where your literal 4-ton metal corpse is floating? Now, the science part. Planetary scientists are geeking out because this crash acted like a free planetary experiment. When that rocket hit the moon, it kicked up subsurface materials we've never seen before. Think of it like digging a crater with a shovel, but your shovel weighs as much as an elephant. Natalie Willett, an astrophysicist, pointed out this gives us a rare peek into the moon's geological layers. But wait, shouldn't we be celebrating? Here's the catch. This event also highlights a massive hypocrisy in space exploration. We're all obsessed with cleaning up Earth's orbit, rightfully so, yet we're repeating the same mistakes at the moon. Paul Delaney, a professor I deeply respect, calls this a textbook example of how not to do lunar exploration. The moon's orbit is currently pristine compared to Earth's junkyard, but if companies keep treating it like a dumping ground, we'll create a minefield of debris. Imagine being an astronaut on the moon in 2040, dodging shrapnel from a decade's worth of forgotten rockets. What fascinates me most is how this incident mirrors humanity's broader space ethics. We're like toddlers with rocket ships, breaking things accidentally, then pretending we're not responsible. Aaron Boley, another expert, notes that knowing the exact impact time and mass gives us perfect data for modeling lunar craters. But here's the dark irony. The very act of gathering that data polluted the moon. So are we advancing science or sabotaging it? Let's zoom out. This isn't just about one crash. It's about unregulated space capitalism. Companies like SpaceX are pioneering new frontiers, but with zero accountability for their orbital trash. Delaney's warning, learn from Earth's mistakes, feels tragically ignored. And the stakes? They're astronomical. Literally. So here's my final thought. Should we be applauding the science we gained from this crash, or condemning the recklessness that caused it? Maybe both. Because in space exploration, progress and peril are two sides of the same meteorite. What do you think? Can we have our lunar cake and eat it too, or are we doomed to repeat our orbital errors? Drop your thoughts below. This one's gonna keep me up at night.